Dreame, a leading innovator in the field of smart home cleaning solutions, has recently introduced its latest groundbreaking product in the Chinese market, the S10 Pro Ultra, an ultra-thin embedded version vacuum and mop robot. This state-of-the-art cleaning device not only exemplifies cutting-edge technology, but also features a sleek appearance with its slim 10 cm body, aiming to seamlessly integrate into the diverse environments of modern homes while maintaining discretion. The S10 Pro Ultra comes with a versatile, all-purpose base station that is not only ultra-compact but also space-efficient, allowing for multiple installation methods to adapt to various home styles and layouts. This thoughtful appearance approach ensures that the robot not only provides superior cleaning capabilities, but also enhances the overall aesthetic of the living space. Functionality-wise, the S10 Pro Ultra is a powerhouse of advanced features. Boasting an impressive 8,000 pascal suction power, it surpasses many other models in the market, ensuring thorough dust removal. The biomimetic robotic arm, certified by TÜV Rheinland and featuring version 3.0, mimics human movements for highly effective cleaning, especially in hard-to-reach areas. The inclusion of intelligent rewash and RedRag 2.0, a 60 degrees centigrade hot water mopping feature, and an automatic self-cleaning system further enhance its cleaning prowess. The robot employs cutting-edge sensing technology, including LDS high-precision laser radar and dual-line 3D structured light, ensuring precise obstacle avoidance and efficient cleaning path planning. All of this is supported by Dreame's self-developed AL-Sage algorithm, which elevates the device's overall performance to provide users with a seamless and intelligent cleaning experience. Moreover, the S10 Pro Ultra features the Turbo Force 4 in-house fan appearance, delivering a robust 8,000 pascal suction power for comprehensive dust removal. To address the common issue of hair tangling in the brush, the robot incorporates an innovative anti-tangling roller brush with aerospace-grade stainless steel blades, reducing the need for frequent cleaning and maintenance. With an enticing price tag of 49.99 yuan or $699, the Dreame S10 Pro ultra-thin embedded version vacuum and mop robot have become an accessible and attractive addition to the smart home cleaning market. This innovative device is now conveniently available for purchase on JD.com, one of China's leading online retail platforms, making it easily accessible to consumers seeking cutting-edge cleaning solutions. Excitingly, Dreame is set to launch 3 new home cleaning products in India on January 2, 2024. Among them are the Dreame F9 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, boasting powerful suction and mapping capabilities, the Dreame H12 Core Cordless Vacuum, equipped with a large water tank for efficient hard floor cleaning, and the Dreame U10 Cordless Vacuum featuring strong suction and versatile cleaning options. This expansion of Dreame's product lineup underscores the company's commitment to providing innovative and comprehensive solutions for home cleaning needs globally. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Have a nice day and God bless you.